Big up and respect to everyone. I'm here again. Manners and respect. Big up, big up. You see it, my people? Yeah, so my people. Dancehall Skilla is the kind of person who try to bring videos to you as family friendly as possible. However, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see and hear this video. See? Now I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica. And this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a certain number of persons from within the country of Jamaica. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation, but based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that one person had been accused of having a gun, and at least one person had been accused of trying to hit a pregnant woman. The word police had been used in the video a certain number of times, viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, viewers and subscribers, you can tell me what to think about the whole situation. You can also tell me the best way you think that this situation could have been handled. Yes, so myself, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear yelling and shouting. You can hear a lot of harsh language. And the video also shows persons pushing each other. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
I'll call police. That killed me. What if you want to kill me? I don't warm. I'm in front of the police. Video. What kind of police have you got? My pregnant daughter.
Why you want a pregnant woman? You
pregnant daughter.
pregnant daughter. You have kids.
No power again. No power.
Where's the pregnant woman? Do not attack. Where's the?
I want to read my daughter. God knows.
So why? She just say something. She just say something. Your mother? Your mother who you tell me? Your mother? Me ask you, if you is a mother, are you a mom?
That is beside.
Are you a mom?
That is beside the
You
point.
could never have kids. Because your sister, they hear her beat her mother over there. Why she beat the old lady? Talk about that.
She never beat her mother.
No, me see her when she a jog her come up. When she a jog her again, me go and see. But me see we hear. She cannot manage her, only a professional can manage her old lady. She dey beat the woman over there. Talk about that. Only professional and the old people and the farm people. Why she beat the old lady over there? Talk about that.
Mama, take your pregnancy. What take you sick me stomach right now.
Oh, you touch me.
You are a pregnant woman.
Come, tire.
Touch me.
You can't shoot nobody and come out of this. Your name.
Kill a boy out of road. Not even the police. Even the police. Police from the
Well, my people, that was hostile, you know. Yeah, that was really hostile, you know. At one point, me I wonder if the whole thing did I get out of hand and reach to a certain point, you know. But anyways, my people, me say certain things more of a point out to you. But before me say certain things, let me say these things first. See, in my point of view, no one is perfect. Yeah, no one is perfect in my point of view. So I'm not going to be here talking as if I'm this all good person. People make mistakes, but that not stop anyone from giving good words and good advice. Let me tell you about me then. You see, me Dancehall skilla, me not talk about the video this, so me not talk about me. Me now leave my yard or out of my comfort zone and go anywhere near someone's premises, out in the public or even at someone's yard, go start no form of hostile confrontation, you know. No, sir. My people, are some simple things can make you end up in trouble with the law. And even worse. Or should I say, or even worse. You understand? So if you can avoid certain things, you avoid certain things, my people. As some look upon it, I'm just talk generally. I'm not say these things as no form of disrespect to no one, you know. Just try to give a good advice. Because at one point, my people, me I wonder if the whole thing was about to get physical and so forth based on certain things when me see and hear in the video, you know. I mean, the video shows a man with one of his hands look like this, you know. You know, and the way all persons was behaving and certain things being said and them things, I said, but wait, you know, it look away. No, don't get me wrong, you know, my people. I mean, you have good people out there, bad people out there. You have some people who will be all for the good, and you have some people, it's like when you try to reason with them about certain things, or try to argue about certain things that might upset you or might have offended you or so forth, the other person might not respond in a peaceful way, and that can end up in a bad situation because some people, you know, trying to reason with them is like a challenge, you know, my people, and this is for real. You know what I mean? You might go to the person and I say, oh, you know what, such and such and such. But when you go to the person, I'll be a blah, and the person might want to get physical or get violent when all you are trying to do is like let someone know, say, listen, this ain't right, and what they're doing is affected me or so forth. You get me? Because I point out certain things to my people. I'm not saying that these things happened. I'm just pointing out certain things. Basically, I talk generally. See? But overall, the best thing I think that each and every one can do is that whenever you find yourself in a situation where a confrontation gets hostile, let me repeat that. Whenever you find yourself in a situation where a confrontation gets hostile, the best thing you can do is walk away. Avoid certain type of confrontations that can end badly. See? Yeah, even though you have certain confrontations, just start from 0 to 100 in no time. Bloop! If you understand the message, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But still, my people, let me know what you think about the video that I presented to your viewers and subscribers. I try to keep it family friendly when I hear certain words had been removed from the video. I don't know. Once a video has been talked about on social media, sometimes we will talk about it, even present it to you, you know. So you can let me know what you think. One of the main reasons why I presented the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, alright? Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers, and big up and respect to each and every one. Big up to all of you, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know Dancehall Skilla, appreciate each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.